In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy Turbo cryptocurrency on Coinbase Wallet. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Click browser and then open up, and you have three options here: Uniswap, SushiSwap, or Blast. Click the first option, Uniswap. Make sure that this is on ETH or Ethereum on the top right hand of the screen here. And then once you have the Ethereum or ETH cryptocurrency token selected, click and select the token and type in here on the search bar Turbo, Turbo. And then right here it's the first option. And then you have this option right here to click max, or to swap the max amount of your ETH or Ethereum to the Turbo cryptocurrency. And as you can see, there will be a rate or even a fee, aka the network cost, and you can click show more. And you can even see the details for the swap that you are about to take place of this cryptocurrency. And if you're happy or satisfied, then click confirm swap. Wait for this to load. And then one more message you see here on the screen will come asking you to confirm that you are swapping out one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency, or you're about to swap Turbo. And again, this may take a while depending on your internet speed or your device speed, and just be patient and confirm the swap. And as you can see here on the screen, the swap has been successful. You successfully have Turbo on your Coinbase wallet. And this is how you buy Turbo cryptocurrency from Coinbase Exchange or Coinbase wallet. As you can see, we have Turbo. Thanks for watching. Check out the place for more. Drop the video a like, and I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.